Welcome back. If you own a Chevrolet Suburban and need extra space for luggage, camping gear, bikes, or kayaks, a good roof rack can make every trip easier. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best roof racks for the Suburban in 2026. We'll compare their features, durability, ease of installation, and overall value so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Let's get started. Number 5, the WEIZE Heavy Duty 64x39 Roof Rack Cargo Carrier Basket serves as a highly practical extension for families and outdoor enthusiasts needing to maximize their SUV's interior space during long road trips or camping adventures. Built from robust, powder-coated tubular alloy steel, this carrier features a unique, customizable multi-stage design that can be configured into 3 different lengths to accommodate various vehicle sizes and cargo loads. While its advertised weight capacity safely handles up to 150 to 200 pounds of gear, its standout feature is the inclusive bundle, providing incredible value for money by packaging the rack alongside a heavy-duty waterproof cargo bag, 2 12-foot tie-down straps, and a flexible stretch net. In real-life scenarios, the basket performs reliably over long highway hauls, securely holding bulky luggage, tents, and coolers, while its front wind fairing works decently to reduce aerodynamic drag and cabin noise. Installation is straightforward using the 4 universal U-bolts, which clamp easily onto most factory crossbars, though some users report minor alignment struggles during the initial bolt-together process. When compared to premium competitors like the Thule Canyon X, the WEIZE holds its own regarding raw structural durability and sheer real estate, but falls slightly short in premium refinements. The Thule offers a cleaner, seamless aesthetic and superior long-term weatherproofing straight out of the box, whereas the WEIZE can develop early surface rust at its joint seams if not treated with an aftermarket sealant or truck bedliner paint. Despite needing that minor rust prevention touch, it provides unmatched market value since premium alternatives require you to purchase bags and cargo nets separately at a much higher combined cost. Overall, this rooftop carrier is a highly recommended budget-friendly powerhouse that would immensely benefit campers, overlanders, and road trippers who want maximum cargo volume without a premium price tag. For a comprehensive video review showcasing how this carrier handles actual road testing and a direct look at the included accessories, check out the 5 best roof baskets for SUVs 2026. This breakdown details the real-world durability and aerodynamics of the WEIZE model alongside its closest market competitors. Number 4, the CAMMOO 54x34 Roof Rack Basket serves as a highly versatile, all-in-one storage system designed to significantly maximize the cargo capacity of SUVs and trucks during camping, road trips, and outdoor sports adventures. Constructed from thick carbon steel, the build quality is exceptionally rugged, boasting a generous 200-pound load capacity that surpasses many standard baskets in its class. What sets this carrier apart visually and functionally are its unique design aspects: a 6-position adjustable support bar system that lets you partition the basket to organize gear, and a completely removable design. By detaching the 27 aerodynamic wind fairing and the support bars in seconds, the basket transforms into a completely flat, open bed carrier capable of hauling long gear like kayaks, surfboards, and skis without needing extra J-racks. Performance in real-life scenarios is highly reliable. Its dual-layer electrophoretic and powder coating provides automotive-grade rust protection that lasts 4 times longer than single-layer competitors, while the steep 27 fairing successfully redirects airflow to cut highway wind noise and preserve fuel mileage. Ease of use is elevated by the inclusion of a premium 15 cubic foot waterproof soft bag made of heavy-duty 840D laminated PVC mesh with ultrasonic welded seams and a triple-layer flat protection system that seals out torrential downpours. When compared to the WEIZE 54x34 roof basket, which offers a similar 200-pound capacity and accessory bundle, the CAMMOO provides superior value for money and distinct functional advantages. While the WEIZE features a static frame, the CAMMOO's adjustable divider bars and quick convert flatbed option provide far better adaptation for multi-sport enthusiasts. Backed by an all-in-one kit featuring the basket, waterproof bag, 2 combination locks, a cargo net, and ratchet tie-down straps, this setup represents incredible market value. I highly recommend the CAMMOO roof rack basket for active families, campers, and water sports lovers who need a flexible, durable, and weather-defying roof storage solution that handles both standard luggage and oversized outdoor gear with ease. Number 3, the Wonderdriver heavy-duty roof rack crossbars are engineered specifically to provide full-size GM SUV owners, including those driving a 2021 to 2026 Chevy Suburban, Tahoe, GMC Yukon XL, or Cadillac Escalade SV, with a high-capacity hauling solution. Built with an upgraded structure featuring 2.4mm thick structural aluminum bars and robust die-cast aluminum base feet. This carrier boasts an exceptional 350-pound load capacity, outclassing standard plastic-footed options. Performance in real-world scenarios is outstanding, as the rigid assembly easily stabilizes top-heavy gear like oversized luggage boxes, kayaks, and rooftop tents over long highway miles, while its low-profile aerodynamic wing shape manages to suppress most interior wind cabin noise. Ease of use is a highlight. The crossbars seamlessly clamp onto factory flush-side rails with clear directional labels, and they feature integrated anti-theft metal locking mechanisms to secure your gear when parked. Compared to premium competitor options like Brightlines, which maxes out at a lower 165-pound weight limit, or even the official GM factory crossbars, which retail near $700 and top out at 220 pounds, the Wonderdriver provides immense value for money by delivering roughly double the structural strength for a fraction of the price. The only minor unique design aspect to watch is the fixed crossbar length, meaning buyers must ensure their specific factory rail spacing aligns perfectly during setup. Ultimately, active families, contractors hauling ladders, and overlanding enthusiasts seeking maximum utility without a steep dealership markup will benefit most from this setup. I highly recommend the Wonderdriver crossbars as a reliable, heavy-duty, and budget-friendly upgrade for any modern full-size GM fleet. Number 2, the KINGGERI 330LB lockable roof rack crossbars serve as a premium heavy-duty cargo expansion solution engineered specifically for full-size GM fleet vehicles, including 2021 to 2026 models of the Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, GM Yukon XL, and Cadillac Escalade SV, outfitted with factory flush-side rails. This system is defined by its outstanding build quality, combining upgraded 2mm thick structural aluminum bars with rugged die-cast aluminum mounting brackets that provide immense resistance to warping and weathering under harsh elements. Unlike standard budget options that rely heavily on plastic components, this entirely metal composition safely unleashes an impressive 330-pound load capacity, which easily accommodates massive rooftop tents, heavy cargo carriers, or multiple water sports setups. A truly unique and thoughtful design aspect of the KINGGERI crossbars is the integration of built-in tie-down loops on all 4 brackets, allowing adventurers to anchor ropes or straps up to a 1/4 inch wide directly into the foundation without needing supplementary hardware. Real-life scenarios prove that these bars perform flawlessly with their sleek, low-profile aerodynamic shape cutting through drag to successfully minimize windshield whistle and protect fuel economy over long highway hauls. Security is anchored by a robust metal mechanism anti-theft key lock system that protects the racks from opportunistic theft when parked overnight. In terms of market value, the KINGGERI provides a massive financial advantage. While official Ohm Factory GM crossbars can cost upward of $600 to $700 and restrict users to a lower 220-pound weight ceiling, this alternative offers superior strength for roughly 1/3 of the price. When compared directly to similar heavy-duty competitors like the Wonderdriver crossbars, the KINGGERI holds a distinct advantage for active rig rigging due to its localized tie-down bracket loops, which simplify cargo netting and rope management compared to Wonderdriver's more traditional smooth foot configuration. I highly recommend the KINGGERI crossbars to overlanders, camping families, and sports gear haulers who demand top-tier structural safety, immense lifting capabilities, and built-in anchoring flexibility for their large GM SUVs without paying an unnecessary dealership markup. Number 1, the Wonderdriver lockable roof rack crossbars serve as a highly reliable heavy-duty cargo transport solution specifically engineered for full-size GM SUVs. offering precise compatibility with 2021 to 2026 models of the Chevy Suburban, Tahoe, GMC Yukon XL, and Cadillac Escalade S, equipped with flush side rails. Designed to significantly expand vehicle storage for family road trips, overlanding, and extended camping excursions, these bars boast an impressive 330-pound weight capacity. This performance is anchored by an upgraded structural build utilizing high-grade, black powder-coated aircraft aluminum coupled with heavy-duty aluminum base feet, ensuring superior resistance to warping and rust under maximum stress. In real-life scenarios, the crossbars perform exceptionally well over long highway distances. They're sleek. Low-profile aerodynamic wing shape efficiently slices through the air, preventing the harsh whistling sounds typical of boxier bars and preserving fuel economy. Additionally, peace of mind is integrated right into the design via built-in anti-theft metal locking mechanisms that securely lock the bars directly to the side rails when left unattended. From an ease of use perspective, the kit arrives as a complete DIY package containing front and rear bars clearly labeled for correct positioning, allowing a straightforward bolt-on installation with the included Allen wrench in less than 20 minutes. Compared to original factory ohm crossbars that frequently cost upwards of $600 and are limited to a lesser 220-pound rating, Wonderdriver delivers tremendous value for money by providing a massively boosted load limits at a fraction of the cost. When stacked against aftermarket competitors like Brightlines, which tops out at a standard 165-pound threshold, the Wonderdriver bars provide twice the load capability, making them far better suited for supporting heavy cargo containers, winter skis, or rooftop tents. Ultimately, active outdoor enthusiasts, large families, and gear-heavy campers will benefit the most from this robust addition. I highly recommend the Wonderdriver 330LB crossbars as a reliable, secure, and budget-friendly hardware upgrade for anyone looking to maximize their GM SUV's hauling potential. That wraps up our list of the 5 best roof racks for the Chevrolet Suburban in 2026. Each option offers different features and benefits, so the best choice depends on how you use your SUV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.